Alright, what's up, people? So, like, I didn't even fucking know because, like, I had this shit. This is my fucking seasoning. Don't worry, I'm gonna hurt that a little bit more. So, this is like, I'm gonna try to make the fucking spiciest motherfucking french fries I can. We'll go, which one do we want? I want this guy over here. I want this guy over here. They all got a little bit of cleaning to do. But you know what? I give that to my kids. We'll go left. Left, right? Left hand path? I don't know. Shit. I know it's goofy, but you know, you kind of sometimes need two hands to do shit. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put these in here. These are frozen French fries. You can't see the brand because it doesn't matter. You know, get whatever fucking. It doesn't brand shit don't matter. See, when you got one of these are goofy elbows. I'm gonna put that guy back, bro. And I'll take 3 more back. Feel me? So we'll just get those in there. Put them in there, kind of like that. But you don't want that guy over there. You want that guy right down there. Everybody on level. So then we want to go to air fry. Yeah, it's left in here. Shit. We're gonna go to 425. No, not 450, bro. This shit is weird because, like, on the right side, it doesn't act like this. What? This is gay. All right, let's go. Where's the start button? Shit. Negro, please. Man, I'm doing shit one-handed, nigger. Fuck you. My other fucking hand is on the fucking phone while I'm recording this bullshit. I'm trying to show you I can cook one-handed, nigger. I did this the other day, man. That was my perfect spice. But I'm gonna make this. This is gonna be hotter than that shit, dude, bro. I'm trying to make the. All right, so if you get frozen, any kind, it doesn't matter. It could be Ore-Ida, it could be store brand. They're all the fucking same. Don't matter. Where do you think the store brand comes from? It's just minus ads. Hold on. Wait for it. No, I had to seal my shit right because if I didn't do that, then it wouldn't be. That's my nephew right there. That's also my niece and nephew over there on the other side. That's Nicole being goofy. That's Michael when he was younger. This is one of my favorite pictures ever. This is Nicole dancing out front of our old place. Super cool. Then we get this newsletter from where we live and shit like that. So what you want to do is you want to put them in an air fryer for like what you want to do is about 12 minutes. Now what the package tells you, don't fucking think about that. I'm gonna have to put this shit on there. This is like a dry seasoning. Then I'm gonna sauce it up with the spiciest hot sauce that I have in my house right now, at least until I order, a better one. I saw this one that I was like, holy shit, I have to get that. Is this guy right here, actually. And the close number 2 is, and actually I had this one earlier. That's a close number 2. Anywho, people don't necessarily like. See, I use this more like a vinegar. Because what I'm going to do is, okay, so I'm going to let these guys go a little bit, right? Until they get down to the fucking, see, it says 17.0, whatever the fuck. You can't smell it, but I can smell it. It's cooking like a motherfucker. I need to get them goddamn tongs out, man. Where them tongs at? Damn, bro. Told you to be putting that shit face down, man. Y'all can't fucking hear me. I'm gonna find these motherfuckers. They're in here somewhere. They ain't over here, are they? Man, shit. You never fucking know, nigga. I don't even fucking know. I got plenty of knives. Look at that butchery. I got plenty of knives. Everybody's scared of the knife. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about, nigga. That's what I'm talking about right there. You feel me? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let these guys go until they get to about the 8-minute mark. I might want to dust them a little bit with these, you know, these peppers, because I'm thinking, because see, I have this other thing, right? And I've done it before. This is an interesting fucking, damn, I almost spilled something. This one here is a very interesting one, because it's basically, it's a crispy. You can see my wife been digging into this shit. We all cook, like you can see the fill level. I think I'll let my wife go with that one, even though I bought it. Everything in here is a goddamn spice, nigger. Everything in here is a motherfucking spice. You feel me? Hold on, wait for it. Oh fuck, I missed it. This guy right here. This is, oh man. This is a secret ingredient. It's monosodium glutamate, sorry. Mispronounced it. MSG. Commonly sold as accent, but you can buy it if you go to a Korean or like a Indian restaurant, not restaurant, fucking store, whatever the fuck. You can get that shit for real. It comes in a big bag. You gotta fucking put that shit. Like, I think I still have it up there somewhere. See, they fuck with me, man. They move my shit around, man. They move my shit all around. It's up here somewhere. I got a big... No, it's not that one. Fuck you. It's right up there. You see it? There it is right there. You feel me? Man, get the fuck out of here, dude. I'm gonna make the... I'm making the... And you know what's funny is... If you watch that video back, the other one I did, where I basically walked out of my front door, and then I drove over to the place. Remember that video? And it got copyright struck again. It definitely did, nigger. Here's the thing. If somebody really wanted to find me, they could, like, I showed you the fucking menu, and I showed you how I got there from my goddamn doorstep, nigger. If you really want to find me, you can find me, nigger. You feel me? You're like, why are you always down here, nigger? It's my man cave, bro. You don't even understand. This is my man cave, nigger. Get the fuck out of here. I gotta fucking... Do I have to turn this shit off? I'll mute this shit real quick. There's just a rule. I can't smoke upstairs. So it's like, you know... Fuck. Is that... What am I... No, bro. You gotta wait for the 8 minutes. That's all I'm saying, man. I gotta smoke a jack or something. I don't even fucking... There ain't even no more kitty drinks. Kitty drinks is empty. I'll tell you, though. Y'all don't know nothing about the goddamn kitty drinks, man. Shit. That's a lot of coke. That's a lot of coke. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Fuck all of you people, man. I'm gonna watch y'all all burn. You don't even fucking understand, dude. Let's go check on them motherfucking shits, nigger. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. You should see me out front of that 7-Eleven, though. Those are fun and games, man. Them Spanish people don't be playing. Cause they be scared and shit, and it's like, man, I ain't no goddamn rat, bro. Fucking go about your business, nigga. What the fuck you got going on? You feel me? So let's see what's up. Where we at? 11:40. We should probably toss it a little bit, right? Let's call it a toss. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna fucking. Y'all can't see that shit. It don't matter what the fuck y'all see. None of that fucking matters. What matters is if it's good. You feel me? That's my secret. I'm gonna do that and that. I don't know. I'm gonna grab it with that. I'm gonna throw them in here. We're gonna do a. Yeah, bro, dude. I don't know if you live in a real place, but these type shits right here. This is a paper bowl. Look, bro. Look, paper bowls, paper plates. We got real shit too, but the point is, come on now. Everybody's lazy in this universe. We gotta be lazy, man. That's what we gotta do. I'm just fucking like, I'm searching Searchlight. It's Searchlight. You feel me? I got some really cool fries coming up. Y'all have to go with it with me. It goes down to the fucking, look, I can take it out at 9, but I'm not gonna do that. So, 11 minutes and 12 minutes in. I have a really cool thing coming up with Megas Leroy. I think we're gonna do it in about, not this Sunday, but the Sunday following. And just check out Dark Fool's channel. Dark Fool is he's the moderator, the mediator. He's the you know, like the second person of the Trinity. Everything is cool, man. Last time I got the fucking heebie-jeebies. My stomach was fucking ill. Probably because, like, you know, trying to go up against Megas Leroy. Who can do that? No, I'm just kidding. I had a fucking stomach illness. Let's go see what's up. While I'm waiting for them fucking shits to cook. Let's see what's up. Oh shit, I got a FedEx? Let me see this shit. That's from my wife. Y'all need to see that shit. You want to come fight me, that's fine, but when you start fucking around. I had this fucking weirdo that, yeah, see, that's my shit right there. I had this fucking weirdo, you know, comment on one of my videos. I forget what it was, and then when I went to go back to him, he was gone like a fucking, like, it was like that, you know what I'm saying? But hey, man, I pretty much gave you my address. Just don't fuck with the women and children. Fuck with me, nigga. That's all I'm saying. You start doing some goofy shit. You start doing some goofy shit. You feel me? Then you're being silly as all 3 left shoes. Then I'm gonna cut your neck off. Cut your neck off your fucking head, nigga. Alright, so here we are at 8:40. I'm screwing the fucking cap off this motherfucker already. That's a scorpion. That's gonna act like a sauce. Listen to that. You hear that? That's gonna be the hottest motherfucking fries ever. You hear that, nigga? Shit, I'm fucking ready to pass out off the smell, nigga. Cap this motherfucker back up. I'm gonna put this back up here. I love this up here, you know? Like, for if anybody else wants to use it in the house. That's kind of the way I look at it, you feel me? If anybody like wants to use the shit in this is my house, man. I have real shit. I have real boxes. This is not fake shit. Fuck, man. I can't stand fake ass motherfuckers, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get these fries out of here. They're gonna be banging like 3 left shoes. Well, no, wait. Is that banging? Hold on. I can do this, I think. I think I can do this. Hold on. I'm not a baby. Fuck's sake. Goddamn, nigger. I made them all wrong, right? We're gonna have to see this. We're gonna see. No, you're not even seeing what I'm doing. It don't matter. Does it matter? Does it matter to you? No, it doesn't. You know who I wonder about is that you know, Sin Jones, Allison Jones. I wonder what's going on with her. I hope she's okay. You know what I'm saying? Peace and blessings, Allison Jones. But she was always one of my best adversaries. You know what the funny thing about Satanists is that we respect our adversaries. We respect those that are strong against us. If that makes any fucking sense. Hey, come on now, nigger. Shit, what the fuck? Fuck out of here, man. I have to unplug you. No, she didn't make the top 10 either. Now, see, look at these. These fucking things, I can guarantee you already, man. I'm smelling these motherfuckers already. They're making my eyes water already. And I'm already thinking about, what do I want my wife to bring me home? KFC, Popeyes. Dude, I should make that poll. KFC or Popeyes? Or is it Domino's or Pizza Hut? Nigger, please. I don't give a shit. Do I have a beer down? No, wait. Wait. I need to get a fucking soda. Fuck. I'm such a goofball. I'm such a... shit. Hold on. Alright, so what I told myself was the one hiding is the one I want. This is the one I want. It's a fucking Coke, nigga. What the fuck you gonna say? Am I gonna grab this? I can't grab this while I hold. Can I do that? I don't know, man. It's looking kind of goofy. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. And I do drink a lot of beer, and I do smoke a lot of other things, so it's kind of like, holy fuck. Those fries look so hot. They are hot. Trust me. I can't. I haven't even eaten one yet. But I can smell the shit. You feel me, nigger? Look at these motherfuckers. What you gonna do about that? Fuck. Don't put it next to... You put it next to the fucking package, then, like, the package is there. That's there. This is here. Kitty cup is here. I don't need the kitty cup because this is just fucking Coke. Feel me? Alright. Let's have some fun. I don't even remember where this video started. It doesn't even fucking matter. Maybe it's a trip. Maybe you can have some fucking fun. I noticed Zach Black's starting to do some fucking interesting shit. You know. You know, where he lost me was when he was chasing that weirdo. Because to me, that's not accommodated. But that's up to me. I mean, you know what? Fuck. Peace and blessings, Zach. I love you, bro. Sell me a bag. Sell me a bag.